आज की ताजा खबरें में नेपो किड्स की गॉसिप। जानवी कपूर डेट कर रही है पहाड़ ब्रदर्स में से एक को। खुशी कपूर डेट कर रही है द हॉटी वेदांग रैना को। सुहाना डेट कर रही है अमिताभ's grandson Agastya. Ibrahim is a hottie. He's dating Palak. Obviously, apparently there were rumors that they got engaged in Maldives and whatever. He took her.
Really?
Yeah, because they both had pictures of that Maldives heart, and I know they do that this thing.
नमस्ते दर्शकों, मैं हूँ आर्या
और मैं हूँ संचिता
और आप देख रहे हैं Gal Pals Unplugged. And we like to talk about drama, but because we are in our late 20s, we pretend it's mature. Actually, today's episode is actually not mature at all.
Yeah,
it's very PG-13.
One of the most immature episodes we're gonna shoot, which is why we're gonna have so much fun doing it.
And very scandalous.
Very controversial. Yeah.
There might be a lot of beeping. We leave for you guys to figure and decode out who is what.
Yeah, but we've deep dived into all these Bollywood goss that we've sort of curated for y'all, and maybe you can comment and guess who wore what sort of a thing, like who is doing what, who's doing who. Maybe you can guess all of that in the comments below.
And while you're at it, you can also feel free to educate us on some of the gossips that
we love a good gossip.
Yeah, are out there, but we're completely unaware of because we love gossiping, as we've already established. I actually want to start by saying Bollywood has really scammed me, and how. Because I thought I'd be sitting out here, having coffee at some cafe, and there's going to be a producer who's going to approach me and be like, you're casted as the star of some movie, or like I'd be a multimillionaire by now, or like I would be out here building my own multi-million-dollar business with my own entourage, and I'm just like crying over taxes. Like I'm not running in sarson ke khet. Like
you
I would like to see
like can we like you are,
but like nobody's shooting me or like paying me to do that. So
what do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
Go run in the fields.
Yeah, even I had like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham.
I want to see Ganne Ke Khet.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind seeing Ganne Ke Khet.
क्या खास बात है गन्ने के खेत में? नहीं देखना मुझे गन्ने के खेत.
From like a family POV, like I wanted like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham villa and my chopper leaving me, and that's as a kid what I thought married life is.
Let's discuss some of the ridiculous movies and ideologies that these movies have pushed. A propaganda, if I may say so. Give me your views on what do you think about Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna.
Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, fuck all. Like, it's so bad. How did the movie work? It's 3.5 hours of validating infidelity.
Yeah. Like the slightest hiccup in your marriage and go cheat is basically what the movie is pushing us to.
And they're fully showing Shah Rukh not being good to his kid because he's frustrated. Like, stop pushing all these things out there. It's not normal to be frustrated on your child because you are having a bad day.
I think it's a very Karan Johar forte, because Kalank and Student of the Year, you're basically like, he's just really attracted to infidelity. That's how I would put it.
Also, another horrible movie, which is not Kejo obviously, but Baghban.
Oh my god,
like,
yes.
My parents have cried
so
through the whole movie.
Oh my god, who does that?
No, definitely. Baghban was a little far-fetched, and I think more than that, after, like, I understand that okay, parents become a little boj and all this might be taken like from reality, whatever, but you're splitting them up and you're torturing them, and the whole movie is based on torture except the first 30 minutes and last 10 minutes.
Like, it was really traumatizing.
And people have discussed this, that everyone's parents cry during Baghban, like they are going through it. Sitting in their own house sipping that chai, you're watching that movie
with your partner
and the kids are some 17 and you're telling them, how dare you kick me. But yeah, Baghban was a scam for me too.
Fair. We have to talk about Viva. The scam of the movie that it is. Basically, he's pushing that you can burn your bride, and instead of focusing on her recovery, people are celebrating the fact that she's gotten married. Like, that's more important. The 80% burns.
Yeah.
What about it?
And the jal.
Oh my god.
Jal lenge.
Jal pijiye.
Jal pijiye. आपको दर्द हो जाएगा. What the hell was that? Why was she shown like some timid? Like I understand women are timid. Some women can be soft spoken. I get all that. Nobody is like that 24/7. Like your personality can't be that bland 24/7. Like imagine how would an angry Amrita Rao sound in the movie? ये क्या कर दिया आपने? मुझे नहीं पता था. Like you don't sound like that. It's
I
such a
don't get it
scam.
why people actually like that movie.
Yeah, people
watch
love
it over
it.
and over again.
Yeah, people all, especially I would like to name someone, mostly Saint Prajakta Kohli said that this is one of her favorite movies. I really want to know what you like about it. Please change our POV. Let us find love in that movie because we clearly found no love towards or in it. I think I have another scam movie.
Let's hear it.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. Like
Yeah.
the movie
Oh my God.
was
Oh my god.
overacting
Ki
300x. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, auntie. Like, what the hell? The whole movie, he's spoken at I don't know what volume he was
Dude,
on.
he was even like he was shouting I
Yeah.
love you at 200% volume.
Yeah.
Like I don't get it. What is the deal? And both of them are overacting in the movie.
And they have covered this through the movie that the whole movie, the director didn't want to be didn't want to confuse the people of who's who. So the dad was wearing a cap that said dad. Then the sporty friend is wearing sporty on her
And
shirt.
they literally want us to believe that that location was India. Like,
Yeah,
are
they
you
were.
kidding me?
Literally pitching की love like प्रेम. अरे नाम कंफ्यूज हो गया, गलत प्रेम को घर ले आए. Who the hell gets a गलत प्रेम home?
And her mother was only concerned about whether or not
The
she
virginity.
lost it to the guy. Like, oh, you didn't lose it. That's fine.
तो problem क्या है?
Feelings का क्या है यार? I don't think any of these movies there was any thought process involved before making these.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, Race 3. It was literally a we don't need a script scam.
Yeah.
Because
That was just
my business is my business, none of your business.
Our business is our business. None of your business.
Useless, like no thought process involved. SOTY. Like
you said that.
literally Siddharth Malhotra was shown to be like a poor character. But he was wearing Gucci throughout the movie. Like, how
Yeah.
are you even, unless you're going to Janpath or Sarojini
Ah,
and then
the good
shopping.
stuff. Another one I think which is a fan favorite but I really don't like is Hum Saath Saath.
Dude, you know what?
I said
This
it
is-
very softly because I'm scared people will
I'm
come
not
for
even
me.
making this up. I was watching that movie for the first time a couple of years ago, and it's like a musical. And I
Yeah.
googled how many songs are there. There are 17 songs in that movie. It's one of the. I think it's one of the movies with the most number of
3.5
songs.
hours and A B C D E F G H I.
People actually willingly sat through it in movie theaters.
and like the whole movie Hum Saath Saath Hai was based on how they are portraying family values and how it's the it movie of family values, and the whole movie's base is like one small minor inconvenience. And like you rightfully said, with 17 songs and a little inconvenience, that's
Oh
what
my
the movie
God.
is. I have heard that while they were shooting it, one of the lead actors shot a black buck. And it became a whole thing, obviously. And I don't think any of them thought that it'll stretch out for like 20 years.
Yeah.
But what I've heard, because I know you know something else, so what I've heard is he took the blame for a lead actress who actually shot this thing. But he took it on himself. And I think at that point, they didn't know कि इतना लंबा 20 सालों तक खींचेगा.
But you know what was actually going on in the background, supposedly, is that lead actor didn't shoot the black buck.
Yeah.
Another lead actor shot the black buck.
Actor
and
or
the
actress?
Actor shot the black buck, and because he was already married with kids,
Yeah.
the wife called this person, because obviously he was not married at the time, that you take the
bait.
blame of
Yeah.
it.
Disclaimer. All tea spilled in this episode is courtesy of Reddit University, where uncles, insiders, and internet detectives get their PhDs in speculation. Take it with a grain of salt or a whole bucket of popcorn.
Salman ka abhi bhi, like he's unmarried, but he has there's a rep around his farmhouse that this is a ongoing joke. ये शायद farmhouse पे जाके आई, ये शायद गया था.
Yeah.
I don't know, like it's a full.
Speaking of farmhouses, actually, to build on that, Jacqueline's boyfriend, he fully still gifts her yachts and vineyards.
Are they
from
still
the
together?
prison. Yeah. There are like literally letters that are released which he writes for her from jail in really, really like amazing handwriting, by the way. And I just want to say, he is a winner in my eyes. Because if you can do that for your girlfriend from prison.
Kejo, this is a movie you should tap on. This is the movie we need instead of all these kank and all. And he can cast Alia in it, the Nepo kid, the Nepo favorite. What do you think of the whole Karan, Alia being like the power team of Bollywood? Because even Aishwarya Rai covered this in one of the interviews where she's like having that much support in such an early stage of her career. That is how Alia is needed. Obviously, talent's there. Alia is very talented, but like there's a lot of talk about how they don't let anyone else like vouch for a role, because for the movie Jigra, she was directly sent the script by Karan Johar.
Yeah.
And I don't think the director had anyone in his mind at the moment, maybe. And by next morning, I think she'd already read it and she's like, I'm there, I'm doing. And I'm like, you can't
he was like, I'll back this film up only if she's in it or something like that. I think she's favored for a reason, because she must look forward to something since her husband is openly
out there
on her. Supposedly with Shraddha during two Jhooti Main Makkar shootings, and there were no promotions that they did together. So that was quite a bit of a red
She got a car, right? Someone wrote on Reddit that she got a car as a gift to sort of...
That I don't know if it was a gift, but those cheating rumors were pretty out there.
But I tell you in all this, I do like Shraddha. I don't know. I think she's a little like innocent and timid. And
I like Alia's acting also. I like
Shraddha ke samne to paat diya.
What was that? We love to discuss that. I have watched so many reels on like basis, like explanation videos basis of that. Guys, what is your take? Did Tiger really fart in front of Shraddha?
Dude,
what happened there?
The poor dude, bro, it's gonna stick. It's like the black buck. It's gonna stick. All his reels, even today, this is like a 2-year-old interview, have comments. इस सब का क्या फायदा, श्रद्धा के सामने तो पाद दिया. Like till date, इतना नाचो मत पाद निकल जाएगी. And all people are saying so bad things when he dances and he does all his judo things and all. But I feel bad for the dude. But I think he farted. I think this whole support system in Bollywood is very important. Like Kejo for Alia, Kejo for even Siddharth Malhotra.
But that
Salman for Katrina.
Like rumors, very well known rumors, right?
I know, but I'd not think about it because I have a crush on Siddharth Malhotra.
He's really handsome. But there are so many rumors about them having an open relationship.
I don't think they have one. I don't believe it. D and V have one.
Yeah, even I think so.
Yeah, D and R. Sorry.
Yeah.
That is very common knowledge, but I still choose to not believe it because you can't fake so much love on screen.
This one, you don't even choose to believe that your favorite actor, whose meme is very commonly used in our podcasts, there were claims made by the women themselves, like the actresses, that they did give him full-on like diamond engagement rings.
He gave them?
Yeah. He was engaged.
That's a lie. He's been married to one actress for the longest time and he's in love with her. I like Akshay. I think he has like a vibe. Akshay seems as one of the most... ठीक है, ये सब बाजू में. He seems like one of the most real people in Bollywood. You remember that thing, that video that went viral? कि सर आपको अभी कंगना और ऋतिक का झगड़ा चल रहा है. आपका उसके क्या कमेंट है? And Akshay is वो बॉलीवुड में कहा, वो तो मेरे बिल्डिंग में चल रहा है.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर बहुत बेकार होता है.
I really want to know the real deal behind Kangana Ranaut's and Hrithik Roshan's whole dating history, whatever, because I'll tell you, there were rumors about one of her ex-boyfriends. He fully claimed that she made him do weird rituals at night.
Wait, what?
Yeah, like I don't know what's her deal, and apparently everybody claims that she did black magic to get HR to date her as well.
I actually buy her shit because she actually addressed it. Hrithik never did. And second, I don't think she had a lot to lose, which is why she kept on, because she was anyway like banished from the industry at that point. She wasn't getting any movies and roles. Karan Johar and her shit had just went down on the Coffee with Karan episode where he's come on the another platform and said I don't want to work with her, like I don't want to give her work and all that. So I think she had nothing to lose. So I buy her. She did
get a lot of publicity, and even bad publicity is publicity.
But can I tell you, nobody has done as good work as Kangana in fashion.
Oh yeah.
Oh
She
my
was really
god,
good.
that something.
And Priyanka also did a really good job in fashion. But you know that there was this rumor, okay? So apparently there was a really secluded beach in Japan, and there was somebody who'd gone for whatever, for a trip to Japan, and they claim that they have seen PC and the other person,
The leading,
like parting
the
ways
king
there,
of, yeah.
having like a moment and like saying the last goodbyes. Seemed like a really sad affair.
like an emotional affair.
Yes.
And right now that reel went viral of Gauri Khan like exhaling through that award show. They start to come out now when things are over. Also, I think after that interview where she said this jacket belonged to an ex, and people have fully went and stalked and found that image of him wearing that jacket. Oh
The
god.
internet can be a scary place to be.
Yeah.
But I don't know, it's something's off about their whole, lineage, because it's said that his son
It's not
is
his son.
actually his grandson.
Yeah.
So that's
This is
also
a
a
very-
little, like, I don't know, might be true.
Might be
Who
true.
knows? Because it seemed like a really odd timing for you to
Yeah.
like introduce a child.
Yeah. I think the biggest controversy that we are at right now is the Samay Raina one.
I think there's no dearth of sensitive topics in India, and this cannot be
Yeah.
the one that receives so much coverage.
This
because-
got way too much attention.
Yeah.
Like the Supreme Court is passing comments on this. I don't understand.
Yeah.
There are way bigger issues that we all need to tackle.
Also, the format of the show is such that people literally go on that platform to get roasted. So if there's one person who's coming in, maybe let's say passing a comment that's in poor taste, it shouldn't be defined as his only personality.
Fair.
We're gonna hop on a quick game that we usually do. Guess the movie and the name of the actor who said it,
Okay.
based on the dialogues that are recited.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपनी आपकी भी नहीं सुन
Salman Khan.
Our business is our business. None of your business.
Desi Shah from Race 3.
वो मेरी बंदी है.
Oh, I know this. This is Kabir Singh. Shahid.
निहाती बेवकूफ लड़की.
Anushka Sharma. I love this movie. Ye Dil Hai
The
Mushkil.
Vata
I didn't know. It's निहायती बेवकूफ लड़की हो. काले कपड़े पे कोई वाइन फेंकता है.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
अक्षय हेरा फेरी.
ओके, मैं और मेकअप लगा के आती हूँ.
Katrina Kaif.
That went viral.
क्योंकि पॉम लेके लड़कों के लिए
Shania.
मेरा सन है वो मेरे लिए
SOTY.
चला है सीटी बजा है that's more my thing come watch आलिया
तुम क्या छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
Tiger Shroff.
Tiger Shroff that तो went
In
viral
something.
in something छोटी बच्ची हो क्या
वाह, इसको अभी क्या भी आया है, इसको शूट कर दो.
I don't know.
सर कट के बारे में हम क्या जानते हैं? सर कट का सर कटा हुआ है. वाह.
Oh,
इसको अभी क्या
Stree. Pankaj Tripathi.
Pankaj Tripathi Stree dude that's too good
मुझे घर जाना है.
Alia Bhatt
In
in
Razi.
Razi.
this was not a game this was actually a discussion please drop all like the fun dialogues that you all have because we love this game clearly and we want to guess and win it.
We suck at it.
Yeah.
But okay.
Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Gal Pals Unplugged. Obviously, like Arya said, don't come for our throats. But this is something we all discuss over any dinner party, any fun get-together with your friends. So that's what we were trying to do here as well. Thank you so much. And hey, Bollywood, stay the same. We love you. Bye. Guys, I just want to say, because we are way smarter on the scripts we write, we are going to read them out loud to you directly. And that's going to be the podcast. Like, Sridevi married Muthunda, had fallen in love with Mithun. But
She's dead now. That's not that
She's dead now. Because I thought I would be sipping coffee on some cafe.
yeah,
Having my own entourage. Or the entourage? What is wrong with my English today?
She goes with the background. Sorry, that's the way I could say it.
ouch.
Oh my god. Okay.
10 points for calling me pale. Okay.
Okay.
बहन डर गई, बहन डर गई।
भाग। You know, we're so good at this, Riya. There's never a take two. What if our line went for now?